Alright, I'm making a video about these ram box springs or torsion springs. Couldn't find anything on the internet, which I was surprised. I needed an easy fix. I don't need to get this whole thing removed and all that stuff. So I studied how it works and I came up with a simple solution that might help somebody out there. So let's begin. So usually these things right here, let me show you. Oops. Alright, you see how that is supposed to be hooked up to that little lip right there. This is between here, that there and there, that goes this way. You see how that's kind of have like a little bend to it, but it has to go to that little hook. You can probably see it better on this one. It's not delaminating as much. See that little hook right there? And you see it right down there. And that again goes between this tab and here. And you see how that's bent over here. So there's two screws over here. Let me back it up a little bit. These two screws, and over here. So I'm gonna take this off so I can show you. Okay, it's removed. As you can see right here, one of them goes free floating. There was supposed to be a clip over here, but it broke off right there. Right there was a plastic clip, broke off. I don't even know where it went. So I just put a screw with a washer to hold that. That's it. The one that is pinned against there. And I did the same thing on this one. So it gets pinned. So it's basically pinned in there. You see how that goes back there and that goes there. So it was another clip over here that broke off. The one that goes to your hinge is supposed to be off of that clip. It's supposed to be free floating like this. Same thing over here. And it has some kind of foam thing to keep it from going. So what I did is I went a few inches back this way. Let's see if I can, from there. And I put it in between the two. So it won't flex as much, you see. Kind of stay pretty steady. It goes down instead of going up. Same thing with this one. So you see, just in between. And then this is the plastic clips. This one don't get as much force as the other two, so this one is okay. So just leave it like that. It should look something like that. Just a couple of screws to hold it. Hopefully you can see that. And just put the screws back, and then it should work. Should be pretty much lined up, and that's it. Just stays there. See the other one that is still got the plastic clips. You can see them in there, I think. And this one, see they had that little foamy thing in here. And there you go. Make sure that that's in there. If they come out, that's gonna mess it up. And then that's it. Hope that helped. Like I said, I didn't see it in the internet, so I figure I put it in for you guys. Maybe somebody can benefit from it. Have a good one.